Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Flow. I'm Sophia Knight, and I'm so happy you are here today.
And I'm Daniel Cross. If you want to speak English confidently, this lesson is for you.
Today's title is 150 Simple Sentences to Speak English Confidently. We are going to practice real sentences for real life.
These are short sentences, clear sentences, easy sentences, but very powerful.
Remember, you do not need perfect English. You need simple English that you can use every day.
Confidence comes from repetition. When you repeat simple sentences, your brain learns faster.
Say this with me. I can speak English confidently.
I am improving every day.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
Very good. Now let's begin with daily conversation sentences.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm doing great today.
What's your name?
My name is Daniel. What's your name?
My name is Sophia. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from London. And you?
I'm from Islamabad.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher. What about you?
I'm a student.
These sentences are very simple, but they help you start a conversation.
Now let's continue with everyday life sentences.
How was your day?
It was good, but I'm a little tired.
I understand. I'm very busy today.
I'm on my way to work.
Okay, I'll call you later.
Can you help me with this?
Of course, I'm happy to help.
I need your advice.
Sure, tell me more.
That sounds good to me.
I agree with you.
These sentences are natural. You can use them every day.
Now let's practice workplace sentences.
I'm working on a new project.
I have a meeting at 3 p.m.
Let's talk about this tomorrow.
I'll send you the details.
Please check your email.
I need more time to finish this.
No problem. Take your time.
I'll finish it soon.
Thank you for your help.
I appreciate your support.
These sentences make you sound professional and confident.
Now let's talk about feelings. Speaking English means expressing emotions.
I'm happy today.
I feel a little nervous.
I'm excited about this opportunity.
I'm worried about my exam.
Don't worry, I believe in you.
Thank you.
I'm proud of my progress.
I'm grateful for your support.
That makes me feel better.
Expressing feelings makes your English real and strong. Now let's practice opinion sentences.
I think it's a good idea.
I don't think so.
Maybe you're right.
I'm not sure about that.
It depends on the situation.
That makes sense.
You have a point.
I see what you mean.
Let's try again.
We can do better.
Notice how short these sentences are.
Short sentences are easy to remember and easy to use.
Now let's practice daily routine sentences.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I drink coffee every morning.
I go to work by car.
I have lunch at noon.
I exercise in the evening.
I watch TV at night.
I read before bed.
I'm learning English every day.
I practice speaking daily.
I want to improve my English.
If you can talk about your daily life, you can speak with confidence.
Keep listening, keep repeating. You are doing great.
Welcome back to part 2. You are doing amazing. If you are still here, that means you are serious about speaking English confidently.
Yes, and confidence comes step by step, simple sentence by simple sentence.
Now, let's continue with social life sentences that you can use with friends and family.
What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going to visit my family.
That sounds nice. Do you want to join us for dinner?
I'd love to, but I'm busy tonight.
No problem. Maybe next time.
Yes, let's meet tomorrow.
Thanks for inviting me.
You're welcome. I had a great time last weekend.
Let's keep in touch.
These sentences help you build relationships and speak naturally.
Now let's practice problem-solving sentences. These are important in real life.
There is a small problem.
Don't worry, we can fix it.
Let's stay calm and think clearly.
What's the issue?
I made a mistake in the report.
That's okay. We all make mistakes.
I'll correct it right now.
Good. We learned something from this.
These sentences show maturity and confidence.
Now let's move to shopping and travel sentences.
Excuse me, where's the station?
It's near the bank.
How much is this shirt?
It's $20.
That's too expensive.
We have a discount today.
Great, I'd like to buy it.
Would you like a bag?
Yes, please.
Thank you very much.
These short sentences help you feel comfortable in public places.
Now let's practice future and goal sentences.
I'm going to start a new course.
I will study harder this year.
I will not give up on my dreams.
I'm going to wake up earlier.
I will practice English every day.
I believe I can improve.
My future is bright.
When you speak about your future with confidence, your mindset changes.
Now let's talk about important vocabulary from today's practice.
When we say issue, we mean a problem.
When we say correct, we mean to fix something that is wrong.
Discount means a lower price.
Mature means acting in a responsible and calm way.
Confident means you believe in yourself.
Now let's do question and answer practice.
Sophia, what will you do if you feel nervous in English?
I will take a deep breath and continue speaking.
What are you going to improve this month?
I'm going to improve my pronunciation.
How do you feel right now?
I feel motivated and confident.
Very good. Now it's your turn. Answer in full sentences in your mind.
What will you do if you make a mistake?
You can say, I will learn from it and try again.
What is your goal this year?
You can say, I want to speak English fluently.
How often do you practice?
You can say, I practice every day.
Always answer in full sentences. This builds strong speaking habits.
Now let's do shadowing practice. Speak with energy and belief.
I can speak English clearly.
I am improving every day.
I am brave enough to talk.
I am not afraid of mistakes.
I can start conversations easily.
I can express my ideas with confidence.
I am proud of my progress.
I will continue practicing.
I will never give up.
I believe in myself.
Feel the power in those sentences.
This is how confidence grows.
And we are not finished yet. One more part is coming.
Stay with us. You are building strong English step by step.
Welcome to part 3. If you are still listening, I want to say something important. I am proud of you.
I am proud of you too. Most people stop early. You did not stop. That means you are serious about your English.
In this last part, we will practice more real-life sentences. We will review key ideas, and we will build even more confidence.
Remember, simple sentences create strong speakers.
Let's start with small real-life conversations.
Hi, Sophia. Are you free right now?
I'm a little busy, but I can talk for 5 minutes.
Great. I need your opinion.
Sure. What do you think about this plan?
I think it's a good idea, but we need more time.
That makes sense. Let's work on it together.
Thank you. I appreciate your support.
You're welcome. We can handle this.
See how natural that sounds? Short sentences, clear meaning.
Now imagine you are at home with your family.
How was your day?
It was long, but productive.
That's good to hear.
I'm a little tired, but I'm happy.
Do you need any help?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Real life, real English.
Now, let's review some important vocabulary again in simple words.
Productive means you did many useful things.
Opinion means what you think about something.
Plan means something you want to do in the future.
Support means help from someone.
Confidence means strong belief in yourself.
When you understand words clearly, you speak more easily.
Now, let's do deeper question and answer practice. Answer in full sentences in your mind.
Why do you want to speak English confidently?
You can say, I want to speak English confidently to grow in my career.
What do you do every day to improve?
You can say, I practice speaking and listening every day.
What will you do if someone corrects your mistake?
You can say, I will thank them and learn from it.
How do you feel about your progress?
You can say, I feel proud of my progress.
Always use full sentences. Do not answer with one word. Speak clearly, speak completely.
Now we will do our final shadowing practice. Speak with strength. Speak with belief.
I can speak English confidently.
I am improving step by step.
Every day I become better.
Mistakes help me grow.
I am calm when I speak.
I am brave enough to start conversations.
I can share my ideas clearly.
I am proud of myself.
I will keep practicing.
I will never give up on my goals.
Feel those sentences. They are powerful.
Confidence is not magic, it is practice.
You practiced 150 simple sentences today.
If you repeat these sentences daily, your English will change.
Speak in front of the mirror. Speak while walking. Speak even when you are alone.
Do not wait for perfect English. Start with simple English.
And remember, progress is progress. Even small progress matters.
Compare yourself to yesterday, not to others.
Before we finish, let's say 3 final strong sentences together.
I am strong.
I am capable.
I am becoming fluent in English.
Keep believing in yourself.
Keep practicing every day.
This is Sophia Knight.
And this is Daniel Cross.
Thank you for learning with us.
Keep speaking confidently. See you in the next episode.